Hey guys, it's Fix-It Freddy back with another plumbing puzzle. Today, we're tackling that crusty, sticky mess the culprit lurks in your faucet tip. Fix leaking faucet. Don't let the fancy name fool you. This little gizmo cleaning and cleanliness of your kitchen faucet plays a big role. But when it's off, things can get, well, messy. Don't worry though, because in this video, we break down everything you need to know removing and refreshing your leaking faucet, no matter the brand or grime. Experiencing a leaking faucet can be a frustrating and wasteful issue to deal with. However, with the right tools and knowledge, you can easily fix this problem yourself. This guide will take you through a step-by-step process on how to fix a leaking faucet effectively. Materials needed: adjustable wrench, screwdriver, replacement washers, replacement O-rings, penetrating oil such as WL-40, plumber's grease. Here's a general guide to fixing a leaky faucet. Identify the type of faucet before you start fixing the leaking faucet. It's crucial to identify the type of faucet you have. Common types include compression, cartridge, ball, and ceramic disc faucets. Each type may require different repair methods, so it's essential to know which one you have before proceeding. Turn off the water supply. Locate the water shut-off valves under the sink and turn them off to prevent any water from flowing while you work on the faucet. Disassemble the faucet using the appropriate tools. Carefully disassemble the faucet. Start by removing the decorative cap, handle, and escutcheon to access the internal components of the faucet. Inspect for damaged parts. Once the faucet is disassembled, inspect each component for signs of damage. Common issues that cause leaks include worn-out washers, O-rings, or seals. Identify the faulty part that needs replacement. Replace faulty parts. Replace the damaged washers, O-rings, or seals with new ones of the same size and shape. Ensure proper placement, and use plumber's grease to lubricate the components before reassembling the faucet. Reassemble the faucet. Carefully reassemble the faucet by following the disassembly steps in reverse order. Make sure all components are correctly aligned and tightened to prevent any leaks. Test the faucet. Once the faucet is reassembled, turn on the water supply and test the faucet for any leaks. If there are still leaks present, double-check the installation of the components and make any necessary adjustments. By following these steps and being mindful of the details, you can successfully fix a leaking faucet on your own. Remember to take your time, be patient, and always prioritize safety when working with plumbing fixtures. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on Fix Leaking Faucet. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends for more DIY tips and tricks.